tomorrow?
I don't want to, but yeah.
Don't catch anything.
Anything like what? What you talking about?
No, just don't catch anything. Cold, COVID, worse,
What the fuck is worse than COVID?
chlamydia, herpes.
What? What are you talking about?